but not just any ruby red. Glitter ruby red. So before I do my pedicure, I need a snack. So come with. And I air fry these.
A high value, queen conscious, virtuous woman.
I am not only in the Christmas spirit, but I think that my toes, my feet should match. So in the spirit of Christmas, I was thinking ruby red, but not just any ruby red. Glitter ruby red. So this is Ruby Kisses from that brand. It's in the color Ruby Stars. That's what we're doing today. Oh yeah, if you're already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, if you are not, and you're in the Christmas spirit too, and you find value, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Without further ado, you know I'm not going to hold you any longer. Let's get into it. So before I do my pedicure, I need a snack. So come with. Sazon. That makes it so much of that color. I think turmeric is in it. And for those of you that are wondering what soy curls are, they're basically broken down processed version of soybeans, but you get these strips that have a similar texture to chicken. And I air fry these as opposed to pan fry. Just a personal choice of mine.
A high value, queen conscious, virtuous woman. You should handle that situation respectfully, and you should handle that man with honor.
So today's been a rather eventful day. I just only wanted to tackle a little bit of self-care and take care of my feet because, as you guys can see, that pedicure was a bit chipped and I was tired of looking at it, and I felt like my feet was looking ragged tight and needed a brand new coat of polish with just that classic Christmas red color. So while I'm in the Christmas spirit, I don't think it has completely sunken in yet until maybe a week or so, or a couple days leading up until the actual day of Christmas. Also, don't forget the reason for the season of Christmas. Presents are nice. Or Lord and Savior. Don't forget that. He's the reason for the season. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this particular day for Vlogmas. I will see you in the next one. Until next time, and until the next video.